How to publish your Squarespace website. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. It is very simple and easy to do, so let's just go and get to it. So first, obviously, you would want to just, again, go over the entire site to make sure that everything is going great. And once you're happy with your site entirely, to make it actually go publish and people can start visiting it, all you need to do really just go to the bottom. First, just go back to the main site here and just click on the settings icon from the bottom left. And now you just want to select website and click on site availability. Now, for me personally, because I'm using a trial, it's going to be private, and it may be private for you as well. But all you need to do is just click on here. And as you can see, you're just going to be able to find the public option. So this is all you need to do. Just go and make sure you click on public and click on done. And this is basically just going to make your Squarespace website public. Otherwise, you can even make it password protected. In this case, you would want to add a password. And this means that pretty much anybody who knows the password to this site can actually view it. They're just going to enter the URL to your site, and they will be prompted to add a password. If they do get the password correct, then they can actually go ahead and view the site. So these are the options that are available. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.